Hi, I'm Brad. I work for Vestas Australia at a Taraga wind farm. I'm a service technician. We use high drive on our service vehicles. We've got 3 of them, and also a blade trailer. Our utes are used on a day-to-day basis on carrying our tools and harnesses, and our trailer is used for blade repairs, as in carrying fiberglass and tooling. We went back and forth with the engineers with High Drive in Goulburn. The design crew itself and staff were on board with us the whole time. They gave us a little bit of intel on what would work a little bit better. The back of the High Drive trailer is great because we can move the shelving. It's just a modular system. The shelves, the drawers, our underbody shelving units, it all works great. The aluminium service body is a great material to use because it's lighter, it doesn't rust, we can put more gear in it, and we can keep our weight under the payload. We chose this combination as in utes and trailers instead of a truck because our utes go home of an afternoon and the trailer gets left on site for other technicians to use. The High Drive trailer has just been A1 since we got it. It's never let us down. It's still carrying everything where we need it to be and nothing's fallen off. For anyone looking for a service body, I'd highly recommend High Drive.